Hi everyone, Ivan's here. Today we're gonna take a look at this beautiful white BMW X2. This is 2021 2.0 turbocharged engine, white color, beautiful white color, red interior, as you can see. Look at this thing. Why it's so huge? How do we open that? It's huge. This looks great. Look, this car consumes only 7.5 liters. 100 kilometers, which is great. Guys, electric seats adjustments here. Yeah, seats are very comfortable, and look at that. What is that? What is that? It's for those with very long legs, I guess. Okay. The interior is beautiful, and you know what I've noticed when I've started to drive this car like a few days ago at the parking lot? Like, I couldn't start. Like, it wasn't going anywhere, even though it wasn't on the brake, it was on the drive mode, but we couldn't go. And I've realized just because the door was open, the open door, you can't drive the car. But anyway, it has a very beautiful sunroof. Look at that, I love that. Here's the control for the sunroof. It has this nice iDrive computer from BMW, and you can stop this car from the button. Let me take a look. Can you show us the button, please? So you start the car. Just like that. Beautiful sound. Here's the control for multimedia. Okay. The handbrake. It has the gearbox has a sport mode and eco mode as well. And what is that? A traction control. Fancy pillows with BMW logos on them. Actually, yeah. So rear seats are foldable. Come over here, I will show you. You just pull this little trigger here, and you can fold the seats. And also, wow, how do you do that? Oh, here, you can fold this armrest as well, and you can have a lot of space here. You can actually sleep here at the back. And here, you come over here, I'll show you the trunk. trunk is not very big, but when you fold the seats, it's huge. It's huge. You can put a lot of things here. Here we have a little protection from scratching your plastic. And yeah, look at that. Car is 2.0 twin power turbo engine. This is a petrol engine, and yeah, straight from Germany.